drove all the way out here. I had to stop and look at these mountains though. I'm almost at my destination. Haven't slept, not ready really, but there's no time for that. No time to not be ready. I'm about 10 minutes away. I'm actually running a little late, so I shouldn't even be filming this, but I had to. Man, look at that thumbnail. Oh, that's sick. Nice little vibes. Right now, I'm currently in a suit, fully kitted up, waiting for everybody. And then I think we're gonna do the cocktail time and whatnot. I don't know. I have no idea what the hell's going on. I low-key just got here and started going.
Мартин Стоянов Шумаров. Желаете ли да сключите граждански брак с госпожица Ива Роберто Поп Иванова?
Да.
Госпожице Ива Роберто Поп Иванова. Желаете ли да сключите граждански брак с господин Мартин Стоянов Шумаров? Да. Yes. В резултат на вашето взаимно съгласие обявявам гражданския брак за законен.
Wait. Pause the video. Let me give you guys a little bit of backstory here. So Martin and Eva have been very long-time friends of mine, and I mean very long. Just look at this picture of Eva and I from 13 years ago. And since I'm at it, here's another one too. Unfortunately, all the photos that Martin and I have, we've been under some sort of moderate to severe inebriation, but I'm sure we have some wholesome ones out there as well. We used to all live in the same city, but recently they moved away to Europe and they're living their best life, which I'm very proud of them for that. However, it hasn't stopped us from getting together. We've been on many trips together, whether it's those long, wild nights out in Bulgaria or those long, wild days in Florida. And I'll never forget the night that Martin pulled me aside, he looked me in the eyes and he said, one day I'm gonna marry that girl. What a beautiful story. I mean, somebody pass me a tissue, please. But anyways, enough of that. Martin, Eva, congratulations again. I love you guys. Thank you so much for letting me be a part of this whole journey and can't wait to see you guys soon and make more memories. But anyways, back to the video now. Sorry.
Вие в този свят миг заслужихте да окичите.
fucking banya. Hotel banya.
I don't know what time it is. I have not filmed any content tonight, but
Go get fucking George and Ivan.
hey, bro, it's a video. It's a video, you dumbass. Say something.
This is what I aspire to be physically.
Chill. Hey! Midday back spread. What is it? One. Wait, it's 3. Holy shit. Wait, what the fuck? What are you saying?
I'm saying, once again, this is what I aspire to be like.
Nah. Don't do that. Don't
I'm
do that one.
saying, drink fast, eat ass.
Hi. Let's try it. Oh shit. You got your drink too in the bathroom, right? Absolutely reckless. Trusted you.
With cheese.
I actually trusted you. I trusted you, bro. Alright, yeah, fuck off. Gustav.
But we need a rope. I need a rope.
Up, man.
Iva.
I'm gonna go home.
Like this around your neck. Come here.
Oh shit. No, please, bro. This better not have some sort of percent sign on it.
Literally got here late as fuck, so we can't see.
Are you crazy? I was here earlier.
Still in that suit, bro.
I was here earlier.
Brother, you got to fuck literally
And where were you?
Okay, here's a wine in your hand.
going off, exploring Japan and shit like that. Like, we get it. You like rich for it.
Okay, chill.
We get it. We get it, brother.
Five 5:30 in the morning. This guy's coming out of the pool. Hold on, look at this. The sun's coming up. No one to be seen. Everyone's snoozing. Someone's got to do it. I just so happen to be the chosen one. And I'm not alone.
I'm the chosen second.
Good morning. I don't know how much morning it is, but got home yesterday around 6-ish. I'm in the backyard right now. Just talking to George. I think we're gonna go try and use some of the amenities here. Steam room, spa room, rock walk, ice bath, some bullshit. We're gonna chill today, recover, hang out. Yesterday was a bit wild, so we could use a little recovery day today. Iva, Martin, I love you guys. What an amazing night. I don't know what else to say. I gotta charge my phone, so. Time is 2:14 right now. Just finishing up at the gym here. We're in the hotel's gym. It's called like Pulse, I think, as you see. You got that nice wooden finish over there. All kinds of equipment. Everyone right now is at the pool. Today's the last full day here, so I'm excited to make the most of it. Oh. So, how do you feel?
I feel like a bottle of vodka.
In a good way or a bad way?
50-50.
No, shit. How was your whole weekend experience here?
Oh, it was unreal.
Favorite part?
Type shit.
Favorite part is random rave.
Random rave, really?
Yeah.
Wow. And
then having the boys together.
wow.
Church.
Church?
Stay holy.
Yeah.
Amen.
Got some duck leg right here, some tsipura fish, some steamed veggies, black rice, chicken. A nice little view. Alright, so just like that, we're wrapping it up. Said goodbye to everybody, had a good time. I didn't really get to vlog much or get a lot of content because obviously, like, you know, it was more so in the moment, just kind of living, enjoying. But I think everything went super well. I had an amazing time. Now, time to head out, get out of here. It's 11:30. I'm a little late, but gotta go now, meet up with my parents, and then going straight to Greece after. Amazing little weekend here. And again, congratulations to my dear friends, Martin, Eva. I love you guys. And I'm already sad, you know, I want to see them again already. But we gotta move on and on to the next thing. Also, this hotel was amazing, actually. It's like a resort spa, but amazing. These are very popular in Bulgaria, but this was very new. And this is actually the first time that they ever did a wedding here. So, historic. Anyways, that's it for now.
Evo, come in here.
Well, you ruined my video.